By this persecution of the Masonic societies, the Nazis were not alone in history in their fear of Freemasonry. The Masons have always been much maligned since their creation over 200 years ago. There was even a Masonic scare in the United States in the mid-1800s when they were believed to be infiltrating every level of government and conspiring to rob Americans of their democracy. And there was another Masonic scare much more recently in Italy involving the infamous P2 Society and members of the Italian Parliament. That's from Peter Levenda's book, Unholy Alliance, History of Nazi Involvement with the Occult. Hello and welcome to another edition of the Stench of Truth. I have a word to say to seniors in furtherance of my last video. To all senior citizens who have any relationship to AARP. I want to say to you that you need to immediately sever your relationship with AARP, because the AARP, the American Association of Retired Persons, is not an advocacy group for senior citizens. It is instead an insurance company, and the only thing that it cares about is money. Because it is a greedy, money-grubbing insurance company just like all the others. That is why they are selling you out on Medicare and selling you out on this whole healthcare reform fiasco that's going on in D.C. So, if you have anything to do with AARP, tear up your membership card, tell them that you will no longer be affiliated with them, and if you need to get a Medicare supplement policy and you have one with AARP, find one somewhere else. And tell them in no uncertain terms that you do not want to have anything to do with someone with some group that calls themselves an advocacy group for them, when the only thing they care about is money. That's why they're supporting Medicare cuts. Why do you think they're supporting Medicare cuts? The only reason why they are is because they know that you, as senior citizens, are going to need additional insurance coverage to make up for all of the cuts that they're ramming on you. And they're going to be sitting there like greedy bankers and insurance companies and everybody else who's filching as much money as they can out of your pocket. They're going to be sitting there like the greedy bastards that they are, waiting to take more money from you in supplemental policies that you wouldn't need if they weren't up there advocating that Medicare be cut further. So tell AARP to shove it. Thank you. Good night.